Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Boat Rocker Switch Panel, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. So there are many products available to choose from Boat Rocker Switch Panel, with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Boat Rocker Switch Panel, dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FX Upgrade Blue 5-Gang Marine Boat Rocker Switch Panel Circuit Breakers. Upgrade your boat's electrical system with the FX Blue 5-Gang Marine Boat Rocker Switch Panel. This multifunctional panel features one 12-volt USB outlet, one 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, and an LED digital display voltmeter, allowing you to monitor your battery status in real time, 6 to 24 volt range. With built-in dual USB charging ports, you'll enjoy fast charging capabilities of 5 volt per 2.0 ampere for your devices, ensuring they stay powered on your adventures. Customize your panel with DIY sign stickers to easily identify each switch, enhancing usability. Safety is a top priority with the pre-wired design that includes 5 15 ampere fuses, providing overheat, short circuit, and overcharging protection. Compatible with 12-volt or 24-volt systems, this switch panel is perfect for boats, RVs, trucks, and more. Plus, you'll receive top-notch customer service and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. To elevate your boating experience today with the FX Upgrade Blue Rocker Switch Panel. Number 2. Nilight 6-Gang Rocker Switch Panel Waterproof Pre-Wired Aluminum Panel. Introducing the Nilight 6-Gang Rocker Switch Panel, your ultimate solution for circuit control and charging needs. This waterproof, pre-wired aluminum panel features 6 rocker switches, 6 circuit breakers, a cigarette socket, and both a PD Type-C and USB charger socket, making it perfect for a wide range of vehicles including cars, RVs, trucks, boats, and off-road vehicles. Safety is key with built-in overload protection, featuring circuit breakers rated at 5 ampere, 10 ampere, and 15 ampere that automatically cut off power when loads exceed their limits. Reset them easily with the push of a button. Installation is a breeze with included wiring instructions, mounting screws, and multifunction stickers for custom labeling. Each switch is rated at 12-volt 20 amp per 24-volt 10 amp, allowing you to connect up to 12 devices without exceeding limits. Customize your setup with the 2 provided label sheets. Upgrade your vehicle's electrical system with the Nilight 6-Gang Rocker Switch Panel today. Number 3. Kohree 6-Gang Marine Boat Rocker Switch Panel Waterproof. Introducing the Kohree 6-Gang Marine Boat Rocker Switch Panel, the perfect upgrade for your boating experience. This waterproof switch panel features a state-of-the-art touch USB switch allows you to easily turn off the USB charging port, saving power and preventing battery drain when not in use. Equipped with dual QC 3.0 USB ports, a digital voltmeter display, a 12-volt cigarette socket, and 6 on-off rocker switches, this panel meets all your circuit control and charging needs. Safety is paramount, with built-in 15 ampere fuses providing protection against short circuits, overloads, and reverse polarity. Constructed from eco-friendly, high-grade materials, this durable switch panel is IP66 water-resistant, ensuring longevity in marine environments. The pre-wired design simplifies installation, and DIY sign stickers allow for personalized customization. With Kohree's commitment to quality and excellent customer service, you can trust this switch panel to enhance your boating adventures. Don't miss out. Upgrade your setup today. Number 4. Garfour Waterproof Boat Rocker Switch Panel Aluminium Panel with 12-volt Voltmeter. Introducing the Garfour Waterproof Boat Rocker Switch Panel, designed for durability and functionality on the water. This robust panel features 4 illuminated blue switches and is made from anti-scratch, anti-corrosion ABS or PC material, boasting a waterproof rating of IP65. It includes a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, a dual USB power supply with 5-volt per 3.1 ampere output, and a 12-volt voltmeter for real-time battery monitoring. Installation is a breeze with pre-wired connections for both horizontal and vertical setups, complete with clear wiring instructions. This versatile panel is perfect for various 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles, including boats, yachts, RVs, SUVs, and trucks. Customize your experience with 2 sets of DIY stickers, helping you easily identify each switch, even in the dark. With a commitment to quality, Garfour ensures that every product undergoes thorough inspection before shipment. Plus, their dedicated 24-hour customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions. Upgrade your boat's electrical control system today. Number 5. MKING 6 Gang Marine Boat Rocker Switch Panel Waterproof Overload Protector. Introducing the MKING 6 Gang Marine Boat Rocker Switch Panel, the ultimate solution for your electrical needs on the water. This multi-function switch panel kit includes 6 on-off blue LED rocker switches, 6 current breakers, a 12-volt cigarette socket, and dual USB chargers, QS 3.0 Type-C, along with a digital voltmeter for real-time monitoring. Safety is paramount with built-in overload protection. The circuit breaker automatically cuts off the power supply to prevent electrical issues, so the special rubber seal and high-quality materials ensure this panel is super waterproof, making it perfect for marine environments. Installation is a breeze. Mount it horizontally or vertically, thanks to the pre-wired harness compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles. The ultra-slim design keeps your cockpit neat and tidy, eliminating excess wiring. Ideal for cars, boats, trucks, and RVs, the MKING switch panel combines functionality with style. Upgrade your boat's electrical system today for a safer, more organized experience. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.